Today, Dr. Danny Walsh from Spinal Care's East Falls office is going to show you how to properly foam roll different regions of the body. To begin, we're going to start with the hips. And what she's going to do is just get on the floor with the roller in an area that's nice and open so she's not going to hit anything. And she's going to just sit on the foam roller with her feet hip width apart, flat on the floor, and her hands behind her, just so that she's well balanced on that roller. She's going to start by just rolling the hips up and down from bottom of the hip to the top of the hip. We suggest about 5 to 6 long, slow passes throughout the hips just to get the feel of the roller and to get comfortable in the position. Oftentimes people will fall off the roller, and that's real normal. That happens as you're getting used to the roller. As she progresses through here, her weight is evenly distributed on that roller, but she's not going to get as much impact in the hips as she can. So what she's going to do is take her body and lean towards one side to really dig into that hip. So here she's going to lean towards that right side and get a little bit more of her body weight on that hip. And she's balanced by that left foot and that right hand. Now, as she rolls, she's going to notice that there's certain spots in that glute and that hip that are tender. She can just take some time, find those spots, and then just let her body weight rest on that. She can do a little tiny roll back and forth on that. We suggest about 30 seconds of just pressure on those tender spots. And they'll either dissipate or they won't. And if they don't, then you'll just come back to them later and then resume the rolling. Now, to get in there even more, what Dr. Walsh is going to do is take that right ankle and lift it up and put it on that left knee and really drive that femur and that hip into the roller. She's going to use her left hand on her shin just to balance herself out, and she's going to continue to roll from top of the hip to the bottom of the hip. We suggest you spend about 3 minutes on a side. Once you're done this right side, she's just going to switch on over to the left side and continue the same process.